sorry. I look a little whack. I'm back to do a get ready with me. I have no clue what I'm doing to my face yet, but I know I want some color on there. Hi, disclaimer, this is pre-filmed clearly because the Halloween decorations in the back and my hair is in pinkish orange. At least I'm uploading something. I've gone ahead and moisturized, primed, did my eyebrows, and I'm gonna put some foundation on while I talk, and then we're gonna do the good old time lapse because I will talk too much. I've just been in a funk lately, pretty much. I've been pushing YouTube really hard and it's been great, but I'm also really unmotivated. It's nearing the end of the month. I'm so ready for weekly uploads again. I'm gonna put concealer. I guess we'll do my face makeup together. And then I'll time lapse for my eyeshadow. Ew, I look rusty. I'm sitting here waiting. Y'all are praying for my downfall, and it's like had my downfall for like the past 18 years of my life. 75% of you that watch my videos? Yeah, you're not subscribed. I don't know how hard it is. If you watch all of my videos and you like my content, then just subscribe. Oof, I already have like stress marks in my forehead and the day has just begun, so that's saying something. I'm really sorry about my hair part. It's so ugly. I can't stop looking at it. I was really excited to film today, despite my unmotivation. I had to get a palette to contour my face, because that's how it'd be like. No! Until my fucking birthday, the excuse to treat myself, will I buy another bronzer. This was an ish and like, ooh! I've been going through it. Also, my friends have been going through it and don't want to post and want to stop doing YouTube. And I'm trying to push them so hard because I love their content so much. But at the same time, I feel you. My mentality is degrading, and also that just time. I'm gonna leave that in because that timed well was. Oh my god, okay, that timing was so well. I've been struggling to find vocabulary, clearly, to illustrate the picture or to paint the picture of what I'm going to be discussing. What was the last thing I wanted to talk about? Oh, new intro. Bitch. So excited about a new intro. That being said, I need to shut the fuck up. I'm gonna time lapse me doing my blush and my eyeshadow.
You on my side or the other side, hillside or the boulevard where there's homicide. Two sides of a lie like a Gemini, trying to rectify who the fuck want war. You ain't specialized.
Here's what I've come up with for a makeup look today. It's cut crease. I used the Venus 3 palette and the Alien palette. I put a little tiny bit of liner, no wing or anything. It's cute, it's simple. I'm gonna put some mascara on. Oh, there's a big hair on my face. Okay. I'm using Pure Fully Charged, and then on the bottom, I used Bad Gal by Benefit. Ugh.
Don't you just hate when you get it on your eyelid? Like, what the fuck is I supposed to do now?
I use this highlight a lot, but I really like it. Also, I have 2 of them because one came broken. I'm gonna spray my face with Mario Badescu. Spray my brush as well. I'm just gonna do my nose, my cupid's bow, my eyebrows. We like highlight, folks, so we're gonna put it everywhere. And then we are freaking done with our makeup for today. Let's add some lip balm. Like a bitch be popping. That's all. Thanks for joining me doing my makeup. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and freaking subscribe. I see y'all that are just stalking my videos weekly and y'all ain't subscribed. Thank you. That is all. I hope you have a wonderful day.